Welcome to Monkey Physics IIT JEE NEET Foundations.
Yeah, let's take examples. So object is dropped. Now it's falling. So initial velocity is 0. It's dropped from some height. Okay. Now the question is find ratio of displacements in first second, second, third second and so on seconds. Now first, second, third like nth. So we should use the formula displacement in the nth second u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1. Hope you are following. Now initial velocity is 0. Of course s nth is directly proportional to, of course, a acceleration due to gravity g by 2 5. It is also constant. So 2n minus 1 we write. Now s first is to s second is to s third. If you calculate, this is nothing but substitute n equivalent to 1. This is the displacement in the first second. If you take, this is 1 is to n2, 2 and 4 minus 1, 3 is to 3, 6 minus 1, 5 and so on. So the depth fallen in ratio of the depths fallen in first second, third second is nothing but it's a ratio of odd integers. Ratio of odd integers. Now next example. Now they have given the object is dropped from some height and it has traveled 35 meters in last second of its downward motion. So this is the question, description. So it has fallen 35 meters in the last second of its downward motion when it is dropped from some height. Then they are asking what is the total height from which it is dropped. That is the question. Now let's take, this is the last second if you take, or else some nth second, we don't know what it is. It's like nth second. Now what is the displacement in the nth second formula? U plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1, right? Now initial velocity is 0, displacement in the nth second, we don't know what it is. So, but the value is given 35. Now what is a? 10 by 2, 2 into, we don't know about n. So 35 is equivalent to 5 into 2n minus 1. This 7 is equivalent to 2n minus 1 because 35 by 5 is nothing but 7. So 7, 1 you bring to the left hand side, 7 plus 1 is equivalent to 2n. So 8 is equivalent to 2n. So n is equivalent to 4 seconds. Good, isn't it? Yeah. Now, what does it mean? The last second is nothing but n equivalent to 4, nth second, it's a 4. So from this we can understand that the time taken by the object to reach the ground is 4 seconds. Okay. Now we need to understand what is the displacement in 4 seconds. We should use the formula s is equivalent to half gt square. Again s is equivalent to ut plus half at square. Initial velocity anyway is 0. That is why we wrote s is equivalent to only half gt square. And what is that? Displacement in 4 seconds, because total last second itself is the 4th second, then total number of seconds it has fallen down is nothing but 4 seconds. Therefore s4 is equivalent to 10 by 2 into 4 square. Yeah. So what happened? 5 into 16. It is nothing but 80 meters. So what is the height from which it is dropped? The answer to this question is 80 meters. Is it clear? All? Yeah. Thank you.